The old lady of the Monte. I am very distant little town located in the department of Nariño, Cali, Santa Maria. People said that there was a very bad lady who they called the old lady of the Monte. And she always went out every night to scare the men who got drunk and they walked along through the streets of the town. She also sometimes took them to places like lonely farms or other rats that led to other places where the drunken gentleman looked at her is a beautiful woman who was parties in the dough. That was when she went out the most. And every night she always took a different man. She told them to accompany her to continue drinking and they always followed her because they looked very pretty. And then the next morning they appeared in places they did know and they did not remember who they arrived. They only remember having got with the big, beautiful woman who then of the night transformed into a great monster woman. And the dress is in black. There are many stories of her with it is said that she will leave if the drunk said many rude things a loud voice and that when she was heard crying for a while it's because she was close and when she was close she was heard crying by her. One of the best known stories is of the Don Juan, who drank a lot every weekend and spent money to drink the week, and he said that the woman did not exist. So he never I was scared to go home of drunk. One night he was calling very drunk and with a bottle of liquor in his hand. At excuse me. At that precious moment he met a beautiful woman who invited him to come and drink it in another place. And he said, Don Juan said, good night, beautiful lady. You are not from here, are you? The woman looked at him and said, no, I am not. I am from every place. You are drunk, are you? The man turning his head and trying to speak replies, yes, I am and I need it. What do you want? Asked the man. The woman, giving a strong and deep look, sighed, I want your soul. What do you want it, do you? The drunk man started to head sober, realized he was in trouble. Sighed, you are not a great, are you? The woman replied again, I am the king of all wit, and I want you to come with me. You really want to come, do you? The one said, I am not afraid of you. You have no idea what I can do you save my soul, do you? I will come and simple look it at him again side. We'll see, won't we? And she said, and that is a new Mr. Juan was knocked away by old lady of the moon. But there are still men good a while for Lou, the nocturnal and beautiful woman. But for the Mr. Juan, he never returned. The